Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Laravel video tutorial we learned that how we can make our first change in the Laravel project. So we will see the both of things. First, file change, that means how we can just make a change in this file and where this file is actually placed in the Laravel. Second thing is that how we can create a new file and replace with this file, right? So that we just get some a little bit confident that we are able to edit the code and we are able to add the new files in the Laravel, right? In this video I am not going to tell you the code flow, what is the router and why we are putting this and this file in this and this folder, right? So the aim of this video is to show that how you can just create your first file and show here, and it will give you a very good confidence to learn in the Laravel step by step. So yes, in the upcoming video we will see every step, every kind of flow of the Laravel, but in this video I'm not going to deep dive inside the Laravel flow and folder structure and all, right? So yes, one more thing, at the last of this video I will ask you an interview question. Even I am asking an interview question in every video, at the end of every video, so that you can just get ready for the interview and for the new job when you just finish this Laravel course, right? So for the every topic you have at least one interview question, so that is again good thing, and you have to put the answer of this question in the comment box. And if you don't know, then don't worry, after one or two video I will just provide the answer of this question, right, which is I will ask you in the last. So I'm just going to wrap the all folders and go to the root directory, right? So yes, first of all you have to go inside the resources, then view, then just click on the welcome.blade.php. The code that you are actually able to see here, the output you are able to see here, is produced by this code, right? So now let's see. I am just going to make some update here, like hello Laravel lovers, right, like this, and let's see we are able to get the change or not. So here you can see that we are able to get the change, right? So let's do it in the very blunt way. Just remove this whole code and just simply put here like this, right? And just simply add a file name, which is our welcome.blade.php, which is the by default file which is we are able to see here, right? And just write here welcome file, and now you can see this code here, right? So this is the by default file which is visible on a browser when we just launch the Laravel, right? So how we can change it? So obviously we just got the first thing, that how we can make a change in first file, but if we want to change it, then how we can do it? So let's you just want to make a new file like hello.php. So keep in mind, at the first time you don't need to write this kind of thing, so just directly put here hello.blade.php, right? And now just go to the routes php web.php and just put here hello. You don't need to write here blade.php, just simply put here prefix, right? And just try to reload it. We don't have anything written in that hello.blade.php file, so output is blank. So just put here, like here, some comment like hello file or something, right? Now we are able to see the output here. So that's good, we are able to get our first file as an output. So yes, even if you just want to update the file name, then you can also do it. It's not necessary that for a first change you need to just make a new file. So if you just rename our current file, then this will still work, right? Like I just want to make here like user.blade.php, right? And you can just simply write here user file, and in the web.php just simply put here user, right? And we are able to get the output here. So that's a very simple thing to make a first change, and I hope it will just give you a little bit confidence that you can easily learn the Laravel, because this is a very easy thing to learn. So thanks for watching this video. And my interview question is that we can just see that we can create a new file here, we can just rename this kind of things. Can we rename this views folder also, and then we are able to see this file, if these file on a browser? So is it really possible? If yes, then just tell me how this is possible, how we can change this name and they are still able to view, we are able to view. And if this is not possible, that we can just rename it, then this then you can still comment it, right? And I will tell you that your answer is correct, or we can just improve it, your answer, right? So bye bye, take care, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.